should have that oak tree in the horror movies.
Oh yeah, look at that tree.
Yeah.
Don't that look like one?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, that's a horror movie tree there.
So you guys is gonna be what? Like, what are they doing with that? Just put it and then pick it up?
No, we're chopping it down, and
Chop it down.
then we'll take the disc and
Work it in the ground. Yeah. So they use it to aerate. It then
Okay.
decomposes and they aerate the soil with
And
it.
then
okay.
we want to get these fields ready for next year for
Oh,
soybeans.
really? Okay.
Soybeans
Yeah,
next year.
we had corn in it for about 2 or 3 years, and then,
Okay, so then you change it.
yeah,
Yeah.
corn pulls a lot out of us.
Yeah. It pulls a lot out of the. Yeah.
Where soybeans builds the soil up.
Okay.
There's red onions there, yellow onions, sweet corn.
Yeah.
Got it all, man.
I'll take it back by the corn maze.
Okay. Oh, the corn maze. Okay. So is it already cut?
Yeah. We take the lawnmower in.
So they chop all that up.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a couple there.
Yeah. we had a lot of bird problems out here.
Birds,
really?
yeah.
Yeah. That's what that is. That's an owl.
An owl?
Yeah, we pound them in. We got 3, 4 of them. And
Keeps the owls keep them out. Keep
helps.
the birds out. Yeah.
We have a cannon goes off out here.
Really?
Yeah. Only thing you really chase them is a hawk.
Hawks.
Yeah, they fly over.
So what is it? The crows and the blackbirds, the starlings
Yeah.
and the
that-
blue-headed blackbirds.
That
They rob the cornfields.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They chew on top of the ear down about that far.
Really?
Looking for bugs, looking for
Okay.
worms.
Just
Yeah.
see.
Yeah, and he.
There's no bugs in that.
Yep.
Yeah.
So how often do you got to spray the sweet corn?
It all depends.
Yeah.
On
So look at no weeds. So they the seed and everything.
yeah. See, this patch is almost ready.
Yeah.
We just finished that one up. But you get
Yeah, there's still a year or two. Well, some.
yeah, I know, but some of them we got a new patch a lot better when we hit that move on. I'm gonna show you some of the spots. See, like that ear there, they shoot all the way down.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
This one isn't as bad. See there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
See how the birds
So
eat
you
the.
see that?
Yeah.
See there?
What the heck?
Yep.
Another one.
Yeah, that takes away from the
Did
crop.
you see all
Yep.
of them there?
Holy moly. Wow. What kind of birds is this?
Blackbirds, crows.
Yeah.
Mostly those starlings and the blue-headed, those
Yeah.
purple-headed blackbirds.
See, this patch never came up good. See how many spots is missing?
Yeah.
That was a year-old seed. We never realized that before. See there?
Yeah.
They did a lot of damage in the field.
So up here is coming the corn maze. I can
Yeah.
see where they've already
Yeah.
ran the lawnmower through.
Yeah.
See how they do that, Jorge? And then they bring kids in. And but there's also, you pick that corn though, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
We sell for deer feed.
For deer. Oh, is that field corn?
Yeah.
Okay.
You start here and you'll end up here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But you go all the way through there, and it's a maze.
Yeah, all the way around, and then they have dead ends in spots where you walk so far, and all of a sudden the dead ends. Then you got to turn around and come back.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
is that do you hand pick the corn?
No, that's
no.
machine on it?
We have a combine.
combine. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like our combine is small. We do 4 rows at a time.
Okay.
You get these big ones now. They can do like 16-year-olds.
Really? Wow.
I mean,
Jesus.
they have to have a cart following through the field as they pick the unloads.
Wow.
Big farm.
Yeah.
I mean, that's big types.
Yeah, that's big time.
Yeah. No, that's what we do here.
Yeah. Nice.
Well, and then back further, we got soybeans behind that. Behind, I can't get back there.
Yeah.
Because we have water pipes, and our pond is behind all.
Oh, you
that.
got a big pond back there.
Yeah. That's where we pump in the water.
Okay.
Almost a half a mile up to the next road.
Wow.
Yeah. It takes a while to lay all the pipe.
Yeah, sure. Hey, I remember many times hauling that irrigation pipe around up on your shoulder, man. You're
they suck.
12, 13, 14-year-old. They're aluminum, but they still, and if it's windy, the wind will whip you around.
And then if the first guy picks it up ahead of time, all the
water shoots back on you. Yeah, somebody goes, oh, here it comes, and they lift the pipe up to drain the water that's left in there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I remember that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I never thought I'd be back into all this again, but I was retired one time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, he worked. His two brothers, and then he worked with them, but he also had another job, right? He sort of retired from a company. Tool and die, or what did you do?
No, I worked on a golf course maintenance.
Oh, golf course maintenance.
Yeah. I've worked up in Warren all of my life.
Where at?
Warren, Maple Lane.
Maple Lane's golf course. I played that golf course before.
Yeah.
Over on 14 Mile.
Yeah. The clubhouse on 14.
14 Mile. Yeah.
The one that we saw driving?
No. This is over by it's by Troy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Between Shaner and Van Dyke.
Van Dyke. Yeah. Remember we saw that road, Van Dyke?
Yeah.
And I said that was west.
Yeah.
You went about maybe 20 miles from where we were. You'd have to go across Van Dyke.
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't realize you worked golf course maintenance there.
Yeah.
So you worked on machines?
Yeah.
Worked on.
I did all the
mechanical work.
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. But I guess it's really run down now.
Yeah. Well, these golf courses,
well,
it's
the
tough.
golf course was built back in the 20s.
20s, yeah. I played at Selfridge last week, and that course was built in 1954 by the Civil Engineering as a project. Then they came in '96 and redid it.
See, there was a golf.
That golf course is in really good shape.
See, there was a golf course there before that.
There was?
Yeah. My superintendent, when I started there during the Second World War, maybe he just did lawn maintenance there.
Yeah.
Instead of going in the army and getting drafted, he got in over there.
Yeah.
Working as
a civilian.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he run that plus Maple Lane then.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
As a superintendent.
Yeah.
Wow.
Both places.
Greenskeeper or?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Big job.
Yeah. But I remember he always talked about the big equipment and stuff they had over there.
Yeah, well, they got plenty of money, the government, right?
Right, that's right. Okay. I'll take you back up at... Yeah.
Pretty interesting tour, huh?
Hey.
Yeah.
Like this.
Well, right around after Halloween, once the corn dries up, and then we'll combine that.
Okay.
And then we'll store it. We sell by the 50-pound bags for the cows and
Nice weather for August, huh?
Yeah.
You're liking this?
It's
not good for growing though.
It wasn't. Today's the first school day we had for a while.
Yeah.
Last week was a couple of nights, but
yeah, it got down to 53. I came last Friday, the 4th.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It was really nice.
Yeah.
Particularly coming from Florida, man, where the overnight low is 78 degrees and humid. Jorge flies a lot to flies to Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, flies out of Orlando for JetBlue. He's my neighbor, and we have a group, 4 or 5 couples that are neighbors, and we all do things together. And my sister bought a house down there real near me.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
How's your mother doing?
Good. We're going to go see her today. She's doing okay.
She's tough.
Oh, yeah, 87. How old are you now?
76.
76?
76.
Okay.
Yeah, these are all our greenhouses. We sell plants.
Sell plants, flowers and vegetable plants.
In the spring.
A lot of flowers.
As soon as we get done with the greenhouses, then we start selling vegetables.
Okay.
Then they start coming in.
Yeah, well, like summer squash come in when, about the 3rd week of June?
Yeah. But we lost our first batch. We lost everything out here. All of our cucumbers, all the melons.
Rain, too much rain.
Too much rain. Yeah, we had a flood one night. The first patch of tomatoes, we planted that patch 2 times.
Yeah, that's, I was going to say, those aren't real healthy looking.
No, they don't.
Yeah.
We don't have a nice looking tomato.
Wow.
I talked to
Some years you do.
Yeah, I talked to a lot of people, and they can't. Everybody's having tomato problems.
Yeah. So it's not a good season for tomatoes.
No.
All right, we got the cook's tour.
Yeah.
How long have you
From
owned
Bernie.
this property?
My brother's owned it since 1962.
Oh, okay.
And we took it over about 8 or 9 years ago.
Oh, okay. He's
So
working
from
on
my
it.
brothers before they passed away.
Yeah.
Right.
So
Yeah.
Well, we thank you for the tour.
I'll show you how.
Yeah, we're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna go showing how they clean the stuff up and all that kind of stuff.
Oh yeah. Still the same old washer.
Yeah, I remember them washers. But I remember before the washers where you had some laundry tubs where you clean the stuff up. Remember, you dump it in, then clean it all up.
The first couple of years we were here, we washed everything by hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now they got an automatic washers.
stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Same round table, and you got people sitting there picking the stuff off, putting it in cartons, and
We don't have a table there. We don't have a room for it. We
okay,
don't know what we really want to do.
onions.
Great.
We're starting to pull the onions now,
Okay.
drying them there.
Tomatoes.
Go look at that. It's a little bit green, yeah, a little bit young.
What's that?
A melon.
So is that the first? That's about melon season now. Yeah.
It just came
First,
out.
about middle of August. Ben's of sweet corn. So everything. Yeah, here's your washer thing. Yeah. Yeah, we used to. Yeah, this is a different.
You gotta remember these.
Oh, hell, I picked so many of those, man. I can't believe. And those, and then we grow the little white ones, the little zucchini squash, or the little white ones that they stuff.
Were they like
The Syrian squash.
like a white eggplant?
Yeah, but they were short and stout.
Oh,
you know,
okay.
well, they make a green one like that too. But yeah, they were little, and then my grandfather used to put an X on some, and we'd save them for seed squash.
Okay.
Because they came from the old country. They came from Greece. The seeds came from Greece.
Then they roll out close. We don't have a revolving table.
Yeah, we had a round table that revolved, and then there were 5 or 6 people around the table, and then you pick the stuff off and grate it and put it in a carton.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The first guy will pick the number ones off.
Yep.
And
Then the number 2s and 3s.
on the end.
Yeah. So everything had to be uniform. You know, if it had scratches on it or whatever, you couldn't put it in a number 1.
I was always on the far end.
Yeah, my sister needs to come over and get some of these.
Yeah. I didn't see her here lately.
She was over the other day.
Everybody gets busy too.
Yeah. Man, these are beautiful. It's a Hungarian sweet pepper, right?
No. They're
What are they?
Romanian sweet.
Romanian sweets. That's right. Yeah, it's sweet
See,
pepper.
this
Yeah.
is real stuff. And the smell. And the smell.
them are the sweet bananas up
Sweet
there.
banana peppers up top.
That's a no heat jalapenos.
No heat jalapeno.
No, we have jalapenos.
You jalapeno?
No, I don't eat jalapenos.
Do you like the taste of them?
Is it hot?
No,
Okay.
these are
No?
sweet.
All right, you try it.
Honest to God.
All right.
A sweet jalapeno.
Wow, that's good.
We sell, since they came out with that,
Wow.
we don't sell that many hot.
Yeah.
The people like to have the taste
Right.
of the jalapeno.
Oh, real good.
Fresh.
Wow.
leaf lettuce, red lettuce, beets. So everything's sold locally, right? No, you don't. No market, no Eastern market. We're gonna go to Eastern market tomorrow.
No.
Him and I.
Today, well, we always went Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Right.
Yeah, I think your dad and them went on
No,
Saturday.
they went every day. Every day it was open, but now it's only open like Tuesdays and Saturdays. Eastern market, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's been for years. It's only open 2 days a week.
Because, no, we sell to restaurants here and stuff.
So they sell to restaurants and.
That's popcorn. Yeah. That's what we grew a year ago.
Okay.
That's our first batch. And then they again like, they don't like that because it doesn't pop big enough. So,
Oh, yeah?
So that we're trying to make
Mushroom pop.
Mushroom pop.
Just to pull up.
Oh, okay.
It's a popcorn.
That one isn't ripe yet.
Yeah.
Well, they usually look like this one up here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I see.
That's what we shell and then.
Nice.
So, all right, this is what she uses to make the pickle, the asparagus and everything. This is the spice.
Okay.
Dill.
Dill?
Smell it. Yeah, smell it.
Okay.
Dill pickles.
That changed the whole smell in the building.
So here's your leeks.
Yeah, yeah. That's the leek.
Mm-hmm.
You make a soup out of that.
Yeah.
We
Onion.
don't sell a lot of it, but we just.
Yeah, only certain people like it. Yeah.
They usually we go with the after 1st of September.
All right.
We're getting down on headlines.
What's that?
Our headlines patch is all done.
Yeah, I can. But still, we have to have some.
Is that a family last name?
That's. We got a friend that takes pictures, and he made that up for us one year. All the stuff we drew.
I see you guys are John Deere guys, huh? Yeah. We used to have a couple John Deere, but then my dad switched to Ford. Yeah. It was kind of easier to get the parts done there.
Well, we have to drive about 40 miles to get parts.
My uncle, he has like 400, 500 acres, and he does corn and he does sugarcane. And so I always buy him the John Deere parts over here in the States and send it down there. He's always, can you send me this? Can you send me that?
These are the cute, man. These are nice Cuban L's, man.
Yeah.
That's a sweet pepper. You can roast it. Yeah. Green beans, pickles.
We just started growing them the last couple of years.
The Cuban
We
L's?
didn't grow them for a while because
Yeah.
we couldn't sell them. Now the people are starting to buy them again.
Yeah, I like them. I prefer them over to green pepper.